wɔn de aba ani atwamina aboa pa enya asɛm ketewa ma water light agusuwa ne sɛ akɔ ɛyɛ bafua na ECG adwumakuo na bamonte so a wɔn abɛyi nsɛm ano de afa ho sanso ana World Bank wɔn so bɔ wɔn sam hyerɛhyerɛhyerɛ de ma Ghana papa ɛwɔ agyinasie ne anamotuo yɛ ɔman sikasɛm yɛtumi ɛde afa so. And to the Yansaka for Ghana Railway Development Authority, Echidam said train be an unsent one got to the Baya, a Quanyan Quanshia, our Tema, and Pakadan Railway line no Abusia, yet at a sense, yes, I would draw a Kosuya and Chakra, a Besanso as Sinida Demupium, Sanso and Amentemwasa, your friends on North, and Pipia Manukunu, a man whom so Namsoma and Tim Wakam as so the year our Manukunu. Yet at a Sierra Chama won't to many party in Penufobia Abuanaya, one Mako. Nesi emunche mo ya de baba somewhere in sama ho do bia e de kaditie na ya bobo no ya sere koso ya de ababa somo ya faseda amanyumako yi OCP Ghana Limited what the fertilizers papa ade abadwama so wunyamizo ene 5G a ebeboa papa pasene na akwakoye fiada sa no na odi atoa mu de ko Liberty Conference August edition no aya hyene so sa aya 31st August o entianyu ho amfrim afei Express Group ye ne de wotu kwan Canada, US, Australia, New Zealand, a whole nyina daya de wo kobi 21st clinic one more body and a sciatica expert and a cloud internet to say what internet papa and what 24/7 ebegina so a one man channel was so kwajibi 3 herbal center woman at 3 core capsules kwakwa masete drono adiabe drama so wearing mekwa wodo one madoma so yasene awia pronto reka sie boy de baba som aya channel so say we are double live e wo Facebook ho aya Sompa 93.1 and YouTube no aya Sompa TV na me amaje adwanam beken kan semi kroje sasu chema dia ma we bra sem for panyura asante ebo Benedict wadom asem wodi ama me eyeme akosuya eje wo akode boaten afreyanje brain nsem no ye nchichim Ansantrofo shamudia bi akoso ewo magana emu na asoye hwe magana yesikasam so na ebo amane ya won mu kire mu se wokọ ECG adwumako ne mu a nyame no kwasem ni ekatwetwere die pa ye sum won manya asem keto amakra na se wo hwe mu waka no won machechem ahodo no mienu ya wode ye friend say legacy debt eno no ayeka won mo baba to ye ekadada ya na da ho no mu a ECG adwumakuo no won mo ntumi ntwetwea ya pompon so abapem sese eno no bu mu ayo ha mo nchemu aduosia 60% ye da so sum honom afei wose emprempre ya so no ECG adwumakuo no ka wodo bia won mo de no yo ha mo nchemu aduanan 40% ya emene won mo pa na won mo chemu se aka wo bi amadwumakuo no sane enka wosenka mo sibi di won mo dwuma de maganafo ewa sankane ya ho nsem begina so 24/7 entetem kodum so dun so man homo so no enya sa ane yehunu aka wo bi amanai asoya ye hwo ma Ghana ye nyina mahoden won sam so ene wo man photo samfo won makaka won mo abom ade won mo tira pamani ehwo se won matumi afa kane bi na won matumi atuatua sane be ya ECG adwumako no batumi agina won mo na so ye pa enam saya so ntina de abrofo kasam ye kana legacy debt no a eno akoya kadada ye sum ECG na ma won mo kana ya doso won mo ntimi ntua be so ha mo nchemu aduosia no ECG adwumakuo no ehwese ombadane ye kire ade amaso ya ehwo ma Ghana yesikasam so sane be ya arade kire ya dasa aka no won batumi ayidi afiri ho afei ekafoforo ye no sum ho no mo a ababa ya to sum be akwakoye suku de universities afei so krampo no eka wodo bi ya adwumakuo akase ade na ECG adwumakuo no won ntumi nkwada asa aka no nyimfiri ho no nyina no eno ye ho mo nchemu aduanan 40% ya wo hwa ni mu se ECG ebetumi afa sa kana bo won bobo na wotuatua amomai yankan ye ho nsam asanso agina so na Minister of State in charge of energy area Yira Herbert Krapa wono ena santrofo hyiamudie no wakasa ye wasie na sene osibi chechimu no yentiebie
help us to reduce the pressure on ECG, reduce ECG's monthly commitments that they have to make to the IPPs, and they are being current. Is the overriding consideration. I'm sure you have heard me say over and again that constant power supply is my number one priority as minister, and I will ensure that. If you listen to the sentiments of the people on the ground, it's obvious that that trust that is supposed to exist between the utility, ECG, and the customer, it's obvious that that trust is fast dissipating. And urged them, told them to make sure that they work very hard to win back that trust. How you win back that trust is ensuring that people have access to you and you are dealing with the problems that they are bringing to you in an efficient and a timeous manner.
I was sure why Ora Herbert Cropper on the Minister of State in charge of energy, and I had to say what church was say a cabia, assume easy judgment, one more chum, you know, na a year as you show my gun is a some so one more at your fan. Kanema Panyera John Dramani Mahama Eguswada Airborne Toa Ewa my Ganimu, and yes, some year or Brosho Papa Yasam Ketwama. Na Baku Sadia to Ja and say, says I want na water tear. Sir Commander Sugar Factory no aban ba yo baby anora sanka ase kire no man yakase betumi anya de akroje na yankonkro farmer so enko krabi farmer no say wo se dane kire de ama India admakuo bi France West Africa Agro Limited eno ana wo susuo se wono no sane anuoma si bi kakone ne watete wona sumuo no ehunu se ho nkrata sam ebe yesuma se dwadie mo abon na aban wadane kire de ama wonom emfihia dunum kakone duo no so na ne Ghana yebre enam say asunchine wo kan wo de akire raketi amondo say won pare to mpare no won wasa han betumi atom emu nkrata sam Ghana fo behunu bie social media so ebabada ho na wo bibia da hunu sane ehu sikasam ne ade betu bia ko anya sa no John Dramani Mahama betena konya sam ampanyina o wo ba wasa won nkrata sam nyina no wo betumi ahwehwemu biem na wonnia ya wasafata se adni gina mra no wodne gina amena oyeye wode sanse we nyina to dwa ebra wone nsantwofo ene Ghana de hye binum ehyaye e wo Flamantam mu ene Yera John Dramani Mahama okoka sansem we
read about the hurry to lease out the Commander Sugar Factory to an investor. You see, the thing about this government is they're not transparent in anything they do. And I warn the investor, I hope it's gone through a transparent procurement process. And so buyer beware. Whoever that investor is, he should be very careful, because if the process has not been transparent, we are not willing to abide by any transfer of that facility. We must open it up and get the best investor to come and partner with governments to run that sugar factory. So whoever it is, I'm just sending a note of caution to him. I haven't seen any transparent process in trying to lease out that sugar factory. And if we come and it was not transparent and it was some, under the table transfer of a national asset, we will not be very cooperative in that regard. And so that is a warning.
Near turn carry Aya Kanema Penny Yera John Dramani Mahama. Now, I'm for Bakaya, now what you muno. Yera John Dramani Mahama, the Ghana, Mabuno be a dim como, and what dear to Jar Etra, so may what out in your hopa. Now I want to say, Sakwabase, Abenyi, a first senior high now was so dear ba. Ghana phone quite free. Now one now you know what says Sakwabase, quite free, we are. Kasapane shumwo osuapomu ye university sa amafo basanso awura ho biemu no wada dwene wo se obefa tuition fee ye no aye school fees ya emofra ne betua de awura mu foforo kora eye afe ba ko no wafa ho ka se wo betua ade ama wonom wo se ekoba no sa no a ebeboa se ne ebeya adesuafo pi no abetumi awura mtitiro ni sabio ya maame no ya wo mu ni bie na soso wo mo bre wo mo gya ni no mo rede ni se ne ebeye na wo mo mabetumi awura suapon ahodo mu no safo no nyina da betumi de wo mo ma no atumi awura mu bia ma no wayeji na aka obi amene ebra woman ye yodu boache watena se e wo Friday special show ade ache bia no ana wona mensha south rashe bedwani wapanyipa ya wo hweso obekọ rashe bedwafie dia ma wonom lawyer nana je bafo wa atwetwe nkomo ana obechem se hwe Yera John Dramani Mahama asa papa no edruma bia nensem bi wono maso onim dia wo keka sabio asa asam ne waka ne tra sa na ne refi ne ho so waba tena konyo se epen sama mpanyini ya sa ne ma we nyina no sabe mpaduasa otutu chiki ani ade de ma Ghanafo na se won na aka so obaya de a wo man ye nyina chinyi na emom won kire mu ye wo man nsam no emu nam pefe sane ebe no wakina wo betena konya so a 145 ena no man 6
se ono a omampanyin jo Mahama ne mribi o kansim bi wo se to da bia wo petumi a ya na ke kansim bi sene be ya do dada nkrofo agi tumi enti di kan ono ansem ni bi wo ho a o kan ya omini o se ono ankasa yi ne foforo o kansim bi so o kasa afi we de on hyebo o kasa on hyebo o ba behwe sene ma e wo ho a enko ye no ene be koye enso wa start shebo e kire se onu ankasa no onyini hu ni na obi a onyini hu ni no so tenche na age ne di nso enye dai enye ye fisese no odada na no oba ba mu ano na ada na ho no hwe time be no person sesa ade na se fise ye nyina yi ni university calendar hwe university calendar na omeko school next year January and sakra na omapanyi Jo Mahama wenya akonya se or the budget kra ebeko parliament amia approve ye nyina nim se unfa budget nko parliament a wo kra wuntumi spend enti nyame ya adoma November 2024 yura na Danko Akufo-Addo the last budget or the beko parliament no eno na Jo Mahama ba power or the be adwuma
for the first quarter
sa budget no so no sa university tuition na opesu tua no enimo because enyo mampanyin na Danko na nisu ade hunu no
okay
enti enya ade a ebewo mu enti eno kire wo se obeba no na university for no omakwa akotua omu school fees because school fees omu tua ni December ansa no mako school January enti time ben na obesha ase atua school fees no ama wo mo time ben so enti the first time ono benya kwan se obetua school fees no September of 2025 that is say omo beko for September omo beko January 2026 Sabre na aka ni fie mienu e wa aban mu sabre no na afi na opese otua sa sika no so obetua se wa ntua de na obeye no so atase apai oba bedin fie nan pe e wa aban mu no okọ so obetua se wa ntua de na benti sa first year de ontuo etoso bio yenim say university fees a o kan ho asem no yenya mu nchirechire mu fee paying for kan ho ana Medical University Council no so no ma hene na Care University Council no sa fees a ye kai particularly fee paying for omo de boa ama school ni generate scapa Care University wo ho no about 60 to 70% of omo budget is car omo ankasa generating internally IGF and omo budget no so over 700 million cedis enti se oba se wo say wo betua school fees amount crofo na se sika no ama university no wa running it down completely because ebi wo ho skakura ban di tua lecturers ka no e delay enti from
I was your way upon your paya or so become a silver fear dear mother shia. A woman shall south and persuade lawyer, Nana Jeba for a wa. After your concern for fumu, yet a tessa is Judge Macono Demeters, I would be Abamontan so ya no, Aqua Genama Bopa. Now, some meters on a gun for no more say. Sunny and no need Juma dear Setiano, and no adding. And yes, I want to be a good one as a quiet before a quantampa. And Jacka will be a manual dryer samitasi, one would do Jumano, Aqua Hawker see Diabato one show. I can be a managing director the ma ECG. Ora Dubik Mahama Ebra. Yera Herbert Crampa Wakoye, so I can show one will be so one more how and in your ma one more from Wuno. Wapani Padia to Ja Achramusa, Sa meters I would run a woman dear Bagana for a shumono. And yes, I be a Sabio, one by so much Gana for Chamina Bonti and Omobo Pada Samitas in the Baye. Nasa will show Mukurampunua. Samitas Muni a ya papa, Nejura Diani Adiano Ebois. Emma Sempo Sakoba se jase hye ne ade eba enuma pinu ho no a etumi si ho kwan ye ombesra Ghana for se emprempren ade yenye no ntum.
Basis points were not there, decimal points that they were off were not that much. Again, before I even explain, with the new meters that we have, they are off by 0.05. It's very, very accurate. So maybe you might get away with just charging a phone, but every single thing you consume in your house is going to read it. We should be talking about energy conservation rather now than ever, because that's the only way that you would pay less. Because what is actually happening now is that with these new smart meters, every single thing you are doing is showing very well as to your true lifestyle and your true consumption. And then on the other side, tariffs have also increased. So it's not that ECG intentionally has put a meter out there to try to fleece its customers.
I was your way ECG Macono managing director Ora Dubik Mahama. Our World Bank and na abo omonsam shra Adiama Ghana bayi. Wamatrasa anamotuo ensiye ana nweta so ya wo me ya dia fa yesika sem ya dwode mu nsam ne yakon mabosem no nyame anim ni age won mo sampa won mo kire mo semra bia twam wo sane wo mo susu wo ma gan yesika sem se bi fa ye na anuoma age nsam wa toto ape na wewe sam akone edu nenne Ghana tumi asore agire na so titiro ni inflation no a na won ma wono se anokwa eni da swo baabi ya o mayi enhyedan kachi enfama yesa wosen kakra Ghana ban enam debt restructuring so ya woguswa da erase ye ka hodo ayedede yesika sane ye ho bosiabo ene ho nsi ho setie afa wo ma Ghana yesika sem wan kasa ne adwade mu nsam esitie no wo betumi adane dane neoma achi ye bosiabo aya bobo metuatua na kakra no ahwese nnwuma betumi abu awo ma Ghana mu yade a wo mde ani die no obuo ama mayi papa na ebra na one more kasa no Robert Taliosio Obrin wono ana kasa ye ya wode atu dwa akire mu wo ye World Bank Country Director ana wo kire se nyame no kwasem ni wo ma Ghana ya yade no so se sagobase ye to mu se ya adensi na nweta so ayadwuma wo ma se ne hunu nei ensesan ye ebetumi aba.
What we have definitely seen is Ghana has made steady progress toward macroeconomic stabilization and is on the road to recovery. At the same time, there's more to do. So let me just take a few specific points there. In terms of the very good progress that's been made thus far, inflation has been reduced. It's still too high, but good progress is being made, thanks in part to the policy position of the government. A second thing that we're very positive on has been all of the progress on the debt restructuring. This is obviously a critical reform area for the country. So Ghana implemented the domestic debt restructuring in 2023. It reached an agreement under the G20 Common Framework with its official creditors, a memorandum of understanding on restructuring the official bilateral debt, also very important. And it's now in progress. As of June of this year, the government announced an agreement in principle with the commercial bondholders, which is the third piece, I think, of the debt restructuring program. And so, again, very good progress, but more to do. And then lastly, a very critical point is on fiscal consolidation. So we saw very important measures taken by the government to reduce expenditures last year, which resulted in a 7.9 percentage point decrease in spending. So this is a very significant effort the government's undertaking to put the fiscal back on track.
I will share why a World Bank Country Director and I attend and can now affair your consent for FOMO. But I was swim, you know, and name and Santa would near no. And I gonna buy a quarter trend be the buy ye kwa today. Yes, I saw her send your trend no. Na ho de city in America 20 ade city kwa wi akire tama pakadan real line no no mo no ana train ni kokonya nkwanhia ya so obi de ka bia kwesi woni ade kwahwe mu se gwan e ma train no asaye yanom samu nsam de matipi no a na assistant manager of corporate affairs at the Ghana Railway Development Authority and some trofo adinkomo nana amapoku ana echiremu se sa train na akonya nkwanhia ba se epu ni mu no ensiesie guso da ya ekoso papa na won betumi aka na won ma kiremu se one more day empanyimfo animdifo mapaya won fi Poland ene ade abaye nei womuguso ada ehwe sane ebe na train na hoden no ebesan so ababiem na yehwe ni mukura senton kwapem October bosome na wie no na train ya sanso anya foforo kura bia baba ka ho ya wo man ye betumi akoye nimpa afei November bosome ni mu no Ghana mampanyin na danko akufo do bere September empakada railway line no wo betumi apa ho ntoma amamara kwaso na adimu wo man mu to mbasra Ghana fo se wono mo omode omo ho mpa de pa na adwonbone ade wo mu kirim sa atadwe drum baby no man ekoso a no moboa pa twe o man sign na dawro ma wedie mo mfa nko ho
yeah engineers amobo Ghana Railway Development Authority and Poland for now amobo modia ehu at a particular thing na say e wo train no in Poland for no afọ omo country ne back and part na say no omo de beba na omo be fix you show me by the end of this month Poland for the free memo no matter fix the train number into nature say enche train no ever start I need juma na the back where my head then so say in this thing we were expecting to train if the first one buy na said and want to chima kakra accident to see woman no na nyame drum second trainers no and so said by the end of October no we will receive the second train if the woman say Yaman Peggy, another Danko of the commission, Samampatadan Rail Line. It's a commission via Namadum Yenia, it me as attached to that training. And Jacobi VIP. Yes, she didn't say by November of the commission, Samampatadan Rail Line. Samampatadan Line agency review is 98% complete. One is under repair, and the second one is yet to come. It's until train about bedroom, we cannot use the rail line. It's based on contract way at this time, and it's way so at this time. It's on contract, we should be expecting it by October, and it will be coming. Yeah, repaying and I make us say Poland for 80 Polish for no on the back Ghana by the end of this month.
I was returning care and Anama Poku, Assistant Manager of Corporate Affairs at the Ghana Railway Development Authority. Yakwa Manasona Yakwa Kwadi and Komo. Na Yatete Sasante Mantemu, Chairman Adema NPP Amanyokono Rob Bernard and Chibu Siakoya, I don't know about running such a mount mini party in Penufo Abanine, Aqua First North Abatua and Pesoso. One more Kwaya, Nana Santa Moore NPP, Amanyokona Penufobia, Awa First North, and some drop for Shamudea, one more Freya, now one more how Ben somewhere Chira Crampo, one more Chamusa Dr. Fred Cheya, one no Arasa, Wabacom Rasho, the Fiadiama NPP or First North, Nachita Phobia Grobi Mudi Omobon Swanno, and I'm so be ama and a party in Penufo 9, ya one was sent Mapa, ebe to me Aquaso our party nim. Asamenti Yakwa Manasona and Obapa Faustina, Asantewa Kodinkomo, where deputy constituency organizer, a war of First North NPP Amanyokuni Dimo. Obapa Mohao.
Actually, just so,
Apomu, dear.
You want to do me
as a Dankanyame. I were back said, dear, no more Shana Monsa Kane. Na Yura a Benadan Chibos Yakoso Yamianimni, and say, what do go a Quemuno? What am I bonito for my not to say Yankasa?
Yo, but that's me. I didn't kind of make a correction, quick one.
Okay.
The deputy constituency women organizer, and yeah, organizer. Na Yura Bennett and Chibos Yakom, what Chuana Mompa. Yeah, I say, offensive of the last year. Akasa yene ono se be fene ya adwuma na yakabo wona de ehwe ne yaka na no yakoda soro ye ne yete se ye rafa ti asamo eme o tu franka se ya se bejani ama offensive of the tikafo bi se wo mo na ye disi o hono no mo penu mutu enu na ma constituency executive ese ba art be ka se enye no na be ma ya solve issues o ho ye disi nya hwe ye mo mpanyimfo mra Yawra Bernard and Jibos Yakoso Sodo, Slayo, your friend, Tonita. You had a crab you when you said, or Tony Safa, and you candidate, you know, Yahweh, Dr. Petas, and more of abuse of Ama. That's some penny poor question, much too. And the cat said, they're calling Ama, Akayabum, Ama Yabuya, Etienne, I can't go near Bois, now I'll hide my mood, Umia, Akunya, ya friend of 2024, Befan Kunya, Beffa, now you like to just a model so. What you are doing? Number, you're would be a foot to it, you know. Yet if you're would hear to say, I call you're just a one of Wama. Yes, look at you, you're not something in the chief of Wama. I can't any account for auntie, I have to kill Nanka, or not so. On the panel, she and I can executive committee, happily, if you want to know, you know, you're going to call. Now, I know you're just a more, or making me at the half a constantly executive number. You would be kind. Medical Naya Shana, consumer executive meeting. Now, for your day, France, they go come when you have a bontua. Now, you're so or Cassa, you're a Chassa Mawaman, or the last stick of fire for Chassa Mocka say. No, executive singing our Cassa will be a Canadian of Moba. It was made in showers. Now, if you say a 2 hour statement in the executive meeting, the executive Chiada, Holoco na de obi a mo so mo twaso na mo nyenko eti de egu atwenye mo ayatwen se ya pressure samo ya wo ti franka so me se be jani amani chama nyeku wa function of no de na la chubu asia ko kaaye no wo de be yadwuma na me se de ka chiku chiku na fe ya no so bi egu a ne apont wa ni gidigidi na konya me ni nyina it's an offensive. To go from here, and I'm more able to know, yes, so executive. A plan, yes, you're trying. Now you didn't, and you didn't so. And
I'm here, you're for somewhere, and a casam wono. At more say what Jennifer so. So about her, the year to year now.
Many of and looking at me, who is that? Me, who is that? You want to now I have passed when you pour your demand to my go about it. And you can some has and say no charm and I can make that dragon to my ekaka.
Okay.
Yes, Rasper, you won't be that. It's something even that you're office. Yeah, didn't know. Oh, my pay. If you go on Sadland, I won't come again. No more don't Miami. That is a yellow, yet maybe no more not to kill. Another hard than a caca. Yeah, yes, I said, what would you mean? The company was about over the drug. And the kind of I don't be careful with a 2 million out there. And the one, yeah, quite than to work that mobile. I couldn't out it. And I'll check him. Yeah, I had a fine aspect. What's so many in the head? That's too organizer. Me to me, what between what's that? Because I launch a campaign of personal. That's not right. You're taking a campaign to my executive campaign to was on. I'm not critical from. Candidate to a critical from so. Secretary of Family, Boko and now I saw you how on
you now executives and almost so much come more bombs, Sacobaso opinion from Muamu Bako. Now what's yen and Umasembiana?
Oh, I'm dear, I'm attracting a client. It's a chama, to say. But you know, you're probably and one, and say, you know, when you some, you're probably payment. Yeah, you're not to so called it. The Babu, I can't tell the Babe map in you who can one cat, that's a woman done every year, 2 about each other. And I'm one man, it's not a question to be money and honey. Yeah, that's you was here, they were trapped and 10. And the penny process a young one after, was a fear to noon and Saturday. You cut the cry, if you had a day, no, we are in your concord, the okro.
Okay.
And you not yet say, do that, then I have good in chair every once a day. And I tell my back, I say, as I say, of a son is a share. It's the profession of non captain, my Indian, I am not going to tell you. And then the time I didn't say, Bassa, I'm 20 years. My ever Jim, on the antibody. He said, now I call you lesson. Nothing, the bus will not see him to a person of a getting any American idea. Oh, my young and you're out in the are, and then I did get the mission and the and if you what dear, I'm telling you, yeah, and yeah, or as I just send the spy, your new mission. 1 year should be not ready. I am ready. Get the assistant and you go to me. Once I are ready. Don't tell me, so I'm free. I want to. I'm not someday. You can only have a ton of yourself to be capability. But no chances, or no, you cannot one penny. I think we have a bond to us. And you don't say nobody about one about now what is it?
Okay. Well, Mamma Faustina, may I know what senior phone Sisania and then more animals say you rache a from 1 hour and wedding commono. Whatever I am common yet himself, so why be near? Yabasa Bob Yan will be away.
Martin, that's a part many. I'm
I was sure why your Papa Faustina Santuani and the Casayano, where deputy constituency women organizer, NPP Amanukuno, a war Finson North, Abatua and Peswaso. After your concern for Sompa Africa, I had Makoba, Koya, or Russia, Makonka 20 Akasim, 1 more for Fenomora, say 1 to me a dimu or May Muno, Waba Warmaba so our question Kosokra. Now a drew maybe cranwa, I am Makofa to also, so about to me, I yet media son could be the attate, and you Makova for ya 1%. One of FFA a woman. Now, what did you must so be ya when the atoso and sneer? Ya what day a yes, Hajme. One am so ama or Steven for Suya or no. A managing partner, the Sompa Graduate Institute, no Wakasaya Watcher Muse. One by first when you so one to me at a nipa pinua, a funny new mahon, or be other wapa power kumapa, say what to me buana nim dian and yanse kitano, what to me the year, Juma Somo my Ghana Sompano, woman so barasa sandy panani swadipunu, and your qua a woman.
As a year, the company view about the Kaya Hono. The Shasha Babua Amanatum, and to Abakaya Hono, and what beer you get me the Abuano, Amana was no aquanimu, aquatri, na adimuno, Yade Buano. They encourage your members, say, or more from when ye I was no, na entity, and moi, you can promotion any bibia a fata say the boama awards no equanimu no the boa papa san says adwuma no equanimu a am your faduma for ni bi aka sadwuma na enkoso a sika wo hena da kotwa obi ka and the Emma awards the promote to enkrofo no na omadwuma no ekosro no na omofa adwuma for ni bi aka na awo achiri obi ante nka ukasa school ni bia wawie school graduate onko hono mo a otidin no se ewo akra bia se onko so obeko bo hu se adwuma na adwuma kese wanya awards to awa ha ukasa onko a oye encourage to go ni prince aso eniye anka eba ye mfie nwotwe en wode no ho bedom ye and so COVID-19 abesa ye ko mu no adatwe no masensen kakra the ben fie be nu ntamu die ya anye so etwa mu no ye to aso ahotoso a ewo mu ni se eye ade a edimu
awosiani ayatene nke yowura Apam Thompson wono I am manager the Association of Ghana Industries. Yeah, wabono Bono East ahafo ene asante mantemu na wo kire mu se wo mo so eyebi diaboa Semba Africa sane be ya wo mo ni sode hunu no ebetumi awiemu die na no achi no ora Stephen Fosu ne sem o kan ye no mom yenkotie
was eye sompo ni se je wo enimdifo a ya form as judges any board members omo hwese obi biara ebe nominate na se be select no o se fata se ni category no ye de ma no na afi so de any say obiara ida so be fill form e online na say hard copy be fill no ba bia obiara no regional representatives indi yen kase bia udu di aba na ye gina so di aba so etu na mo ba bia wo be hwe dwumadi awudi mu e make sure say ampa category na wa select no u deserve ansana ye de ma eto so biem so no e be ka kululu bia ni ye ni di akire enye sika semse bia ya nominating to fatakwa na simple na sese dabi na simdi kan kai no enye by voting e kan nye by voting I mean kase bia obi voting a enye voting ya part of our system by your system ni de yenye voting nti o select one na se o nominate obi a ibetu na mo ba ba hwe meje nipa ni di ansa na final decision ba say that say or qualify na say on qualify na me dance canon say you individuals na say you fear film kra wo ya ade ne say bo obaso a enu kan e mo rechichire emu oni je obi se bebia wo ye adwuma obo no modern pa obi anim say ye bo obaso a de man ye dane say ye more exposure on the global platform e be bo odwuma dia wudi bia no edmetumpo Sompa Business Awards e international partners tie bo obaso wi a ye partners ni nyina so eje odwuma dia wudi so
I was away or Stephen Fosu no managing partner at the Semba Graduate Institute. Through a herbal center na yakan for diama was Bora pharmaceutical shops a hutu mu. Wokwa wose wo pekoko masete dro no eye 3 core capsules. E dro no ye papa. Etu kokwa ase na etu sisi ade ene ayam team ase. Ebo ni pedua no sa hyehye no sisi no papa ye nya senketo ma 0546 107 0546 107 cloud internet na yakan for dia mawo yeso obi bia da pese internet gina so say yesuku mu na wode kɔ wa fie mu office ahodo no eye cloud wate ye de no 24/7 entem kɔ anya hwee afei wo pese CCTV camera ye me install bi fama wo digital security locks web hosting ye me ye ho adwuma fama wo a cloud beboa wo top high One Love FM di hwani mu 0202 699 110 0202 699 110 21st clinic ye sciatica expert eno ne one ma bodin ebusua sciatica no de one ma be mu no wagye ho abosebode pa enya sem ketwama na nsa yakura no Europe eho no madura wawasa ye sciatica yade no wo betu ase won krofo amaman so na wo bakuma se wo show overseas junction Meno me no apom de nti wa bie branches ni bi wo bo ase cancel quarters enkran do me market wo ho sunya ne nkranza ne tachiman wo se for apom de mu nsem fa beda wonom na wonom emwa wo 0540 311311 0540 311311 afa ye to kwan ahwe ne ye kwa kwanto mu nsem de and they are Pinua was a medicine say Missika Quaman one will boom a fast show. And until yourself, I won't send you Nabadan Express Group near Fawon Co. Yadi any quantum sumno abusia, Yaduma Bowan Sawo Kono, a moon sumno at the pa. So Quacosia, the Oquaya Juma scholarship be, and now a visa na will take it in 2 holidays, and Opus Oqua, a Express Group na de Woko, and Cronquo draw. Ye warrior sia for ne biada ya pesa okono express de obeko asa for labor run about and cran kaneshi first light and Kumase airport run about and so obebie 0249 000448 0249 000448 nyame ya adoma hye so abusua twro date to ho aye 31st August na eba Liberty Conference August edition no eno man na yodubu ache abusua wode ba wakwamu shano sa dano ampayi a edwasa sen wosra ye ba be piepie ho no wanko no wankwaje wode a enyo baka echi pa kwane ko sufre wo nyankopon ko bo nyame mpaye na nyame nya wo moa afi mu sansa afene be kona wieye emu nsam edoso won ma yato nsa fra wo madwontofo ne ye owura kofi bepra ye wa kwa kujasi wo ba be hu nwom na minister Kwam Jedu wono so aka ho bi anopa no nsia ne ya sha sia da ne 31st August edishana so pa wo Jubilee Park ayafa ho agim mizo se ye no made pa na yesiese yapom den ama yapom ye ho apom den pa mezo se he na opa bi a wonya bie traffic mu abu se cha ehwon overseas kura de ye nka kura 21st clinic okwa manager Daniel obeyi bi dia ma ho wokwa adwama so wo so opa drink no ahoden wom na apom den pa ewo mu no 0249 0246 270221 0246 270221 ya na makoya forward ya mu die mu a Mula mo papa ya dadwene mo hunu se ene fertilizers dodo no ano ana abuo na so pinu ana nya papa wogoro ho na ba ni nyina da hyese gozo ama areho akan eno ti na ho akwakonya se onya fertilizer papa edimu de ya gia tum ewo mayi mu eno ane OCP fertilizers eye papa ahoden so wom eboa ma no ba ne so doso esenya hoden wo ten so a wo ten bafua enya sika de frim ye wo OCP NPK 15 ana ye wo OCP NPK 10 emu bia no kwa kire no ba ye kro ya wodua no mama wo emu fertilizer papa wobotumi dia gusuo bibia ne afra ya homa ne ye e wo 0555 909 437 0555 909 437 Arosoye jina we so na ya tonkra ya ba Ghana Education Service wo de krata bia piedwa suku ni akoda no a yaso wakọ boys dormitory ejanko wakọ film ama ewi akire boys ni bi ne security ho no ma kire no asesa na se aguo ne ade emu sansam a eboboba no anya sam keto ma ye dan ho abaye ba asami ye bedi ho komo
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo o magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi womu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha baabi a womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 That's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
akuafo yi afuye na saduru hobie mu enti wo dwedwe fertilizer afi wei ubayusu ana esan se afra se fertilizer wo to ye ammoa wo no na ma wadwuma no anyina eto ape onobaye no antumi anyini na nsodo so e ma wo boka ene atumda fertilizer papa abadwa so de eno ane OCP fertilizer fertilizer egumu ahodo akuafo a modo enobaye ebitise atoko ayuo emo ene atosode ahodo no omo enkoje OCP MPK 15 ana OCP MPK 10 akuafo a omo so edo legumes ebitise soya beans peanuts and beans omo so enkoje OCP fertilizer a eye TSP OCP fertilizer ebusu wo baabia yeton yayon yoma e wo man Ghana mu ha enoti atufo enfre 0555 909 437 ana 0555 909 433 OCP fertilizer papa OCP yegina ho ma Ghana ene Africa biayo
Brakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hieye pa enye brakasa nko nuaban ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaban bi nom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15-14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agiatum
hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so ko abrochio
Kwaku afeina mebeko me nkrata krani
eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otwedi musa no
oh Express Group Adarumenti according to IF4 opese otu kwan kosua dia Express Group do be call mind be to say Canada US Australia UK and Germany say to anase visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai Canada US Australia and Germany mo am pese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai Qatar anase South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafo Labor roundabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From Omo Macho for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Oja sun kron moja.
Edu hopiemu food for thought addition omayini ya wedubuachi onyame akowa ofremu nyina se August onyame ne mu appointment asamo ayakasa ho ose there we free asomafo samo etiadio no nwoche nyi mu miensa na David nyom etiadio wache baako nyi mu Jubilee Park Kumase anopa no sia pepepepepe na de ubeye nie ose fa plain paper na plain sheet nienu dia nyina hrogu baako so na sadam wo pepoje funu madi ha nyina yahye no wo baako aka ho eniema papa wo pese si wo wabrabo eno so kyero no wo so hyane so sa eye candle akwankyere na fa wo
candle baako kan na no na ye beso ye dia bompai Liberty Conference August edition the heat ye be bompai ye be bom na wonyame beties ni boy ni so oman ni ye wadu boache na ho fadie ebe nyame made adwumtufo ni ora kwaku jesi minister Kwame Jedu minister Kofi Pepra wonom na betso twom ahokeka kwan the heat August 31st proposi prempa obuadu poko Calvary Pema kokodrufo the friend is that what sere dom no be Kenya ne ho ye be kaya tamfo egu oh glory hallelujah one more time
Sompa TV Emma Akituapa.
I was here that was so much and some no so. And on some video be and social media no so minim say one who say video. Sukuni akwa da bia wo share school check bi na free boys dormitory eba ya sukun koda emema di na chia ye boni tutuo kakra no ma wona tikwa kakra ewi akire security ye wo sukun mu wo kwasa na segu ho twawo sasa bi okronfo akwa wi obi ade na ye pa no ache no na nyame adom so warmo sa aka no no sa video yi Kumase Academy Kumaka ana video no efri enwemo kakra saka kire se akoda no ko boys dormitory na adekodi okwaye wo boys di wode yentumi hunu ebimu so okwo ajanko okwo fim ebimu so okwo gene charger ebimu so okwo di nkomo chasensam no de edoso pa ana se security no ewo na se a akoda ne kwhwe fam wo no na asasam wei adedimu ama Ghana Education Service warmonsa akasa video yi yakasai Municipal Director of Education Ora Samson Anawuni wane samtrofo akasa ekyose sa video no wa warmonsa aka na womani ehunu sukun koda ya wonom edi akoda ejuma sa no nyame no kwasemi etietia oba no ne fa hodie so na asabio nko abokro no krampo a enka bobaye na yakaka de etise ya manani akoye ne ya enam sa ya so ntine wonom hwese wombaye mu nhwemu kroje fititire kokatire no mahwese ni pa bibre biada ne ho bo sa asem we mu no enya de omde onia no ho beche no na ebra abusua na wokasa no woboro nsampi no so na video no mama yentie mu nsembra
Tuesday morning. And I got to the school, I was told that it happened the previous day. That was Monday morning around 11 to 12 midnight. A security man saw a girl and a boy in a dark room. In fact, the prep period normally ends at 9. So the security man was a bit, in fact, his behavior was too much. If you look at it, because they are children, and the security man attempt to pick a phone from the girl. In the process, the boy sneaked out and ran away. So the security man was then moving with the girl. Other students came around. And, these students with their phones, some of them started making videos of the whole thing, recording video. The security man who behaved this way has been arrested by the police. This morning, I was at the school to form a committee of inquiry. In fact, those boys that were surrounding the girl were pushing her, doing all this. We want to find out exactly who those boys were.
Not just no, where your municipal director, of education, no, near Tessa Wakasa, watch us, Sasuku, Mofrana, Mamma, no, Musudi Nechi, at the money at dear Bruno, as so more, say, Wombehuno, Sanquadacro. Now, Sasamia, one on the other Tessa, security noa. Wocha kodana sigu from one no nyame adom so aposi for action ye ne yamani beli na enyese be no ebeso hono mo anemom no wono hwese asam ni nyina no ehwemu mapa betumi akoso na nipa bieda ne ho bomo no emra betumi ene ne die municipal chief executive officer yo was Mampon kroponi mu onmonyafo Canada kwese kankam wona samtrofo edi ho komo
baby security as a school for akola baako oba baako bema baako omo ko share baby na o isuma as a classroom I been doing this I was a mosque let me say baby security dey baako and ko won say no me pressure e do ko do mo no na o say oni mo kasa na bo ndizo na ma de mo yes man na bo ni gane ana oja get no on a security meeting again. There was some evidence that the nation and the Nakona, they were expecting a security man not so the mono, our channel. But the Nakoma authorities, authorities, and then I daily. But security man, you don't know security man, man, handle la colano. Wing Caso Bonana Visa, that's why one so who knows the class of handle la colano. And then Colani because they patch on my girl. And you patch on my girl, or security no. In the government, I could do the place of the community guy on his floor. The union is intention. You can't if you for a boss, you should assume. I'm almost here to more.
I was on your turn and Municipal Chief Executive Officer, you was a Mampong. On my for Canada, Kwasi can come. Ye general so ya and something in our SC. I said I called Yamako Veronica Janto, Kosia Sumoya Grace, Boozy, Reverend Michael, and Afi Happy. Ora Santiago Benedict and some for penny. And I'm so batting a second year. Now, I obama libya boga bomb chidom a me. I could see ya a jewa kwa dear boating. Sebria so Sompa como etoso.